Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best simple machines is probably one of the most fascinating and foundational concepts in physics, making it an ideal subject to introduce to children through engaging and interactive learning tools. This video will explore the 6 classic simple machines: the lever, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the wedge, the screw, and the pulley, demonstrating how each works and providing examples of their use in everyday life, making learning about physics fun and accessible for young minds. Number 5. Engino STEM Physics Toys. It's time to discover the amazing world of physics. This toy helps kids learn about inertia, friction, and circular motion through fun, hands-on building. Get ready to build a rocket launcher, crash test rig, sharpening wheel, and more. Each model demonstrates key physics concepts in action. With easy-to-follow instructions and a 12-page theory guide, it's a complete STEM learning experience. Plus, a 4-page quiz tests their knowledge. This cutting-edge app lets kids build their models in virtual reality, adding another dimension to the learning process. It's a truly immersive experience. It's been recognized as one of the best STEM toys for sparking kids' interest in technology. It's educational and fun, making learning enjoyable. With high-quality components and a focus on clear explanations, it makes complex scientific concepts easy to understand. It's the perfect gift for young scientists. What we like. It allows your child to build 6 incredible working models and explore the laws of motion. The interactive 3D app adds another layer of engagement. If your child is interested in STEM and enjoys virtual reality, this is the perfect choice for them. Number 4. Thames and Kosmos Simple Machines Kit. This kit introduces the 6 classic simple machines. You'll build 26 models to learn how they work and make everyday tasks easier. Get hands-on experience with gears, wheels and axles, levers, pulleys, inclined planes, screws, and wedges. It's a fun way to learn physics. It uses a durable, modular system. This means it's compatible with other Thames and Kosmos kits, expanding your building possibilities. Discover how simple machines are used everywhere, from flagpoles to wheelbarrows. See how they make complex tasks easier to accomplish. It includes a spring scale to measure how it changes the direction and magnitude of forces. This helps you understand the physics involved. A 32-page, full-color manual guides you through model building with step-by-step instructions and fun facts. It's easy to follow. What we like. With this kit, your child can build 26 models and learn about all 6 classic simple machines. The durable pieces ensure long-lasting fun, and a spring scale adds a hands-on element to the learning experience. If you're looking for a comprehensive and durable simple machines kit, this is a great option. What people say. The instructions include information about each simple machine and how it relates to work and mechanical advantage, and included a "what's happening" explanation for each machine. This isn't just a toy build, they do a good job of actually describing what is happening with educational value. The instructions are easy to read and understand. The plastic pieces are very durable. Each simple machine diagram explains the use and function of the machine. My granddaughters were very excited about this kit. The oldest, age 9, was able to put it together for the lever machine and do the experiments with the weight. Number 3. Engino Simple Machine STEM Kit. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to the exciting world of STEM. This kit helps kids explore simple machines and build amazing creations. This incredible package combines 5 different STEM sets into one, offering a wealth of building possibilities. Get ready for hours of fun and learning. With it, your child can build 60 different models, covering levers, pulleys, gears, and more. They'll learn about physics and engineering while having a blast. It includes a 70-page instruction manual packed with theory, facts, and fun experiments. A 16-page quiz section tests their understanding. This cutting-edge toy comes with an interactive 3D app for virtual building. It's been recognized as one of the best STEM toys for sparking kids' interest in technology. It features award-winning components, making complex scientific concepts easy to grasp. It's the perfect way to make learning fun and engaging. What we like. This set offers an impressive 60 models to build, covering a wide range of simple machines and concepts. The extensive theory and facts section provides in-depth learning. If your child loves building and wants a deep dive into simple machines, this is the one for them. What people say. He can actually build these himself and has a lot of fun doing it. The manual comes with interesting theory and experiment for kids to do to learn some of the principles. Easy to follow instructions, creativity and imagination in building different vehicles. Very good product. Number 2. STEM Simple Machines Set. It's time to spark your child's curiosity with our STEM Simple Machines Set. This engaging kit makes learning about science and engineering fun and easy for kids aged 5 and up. Watch as they develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills through hands-on activities. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to the exciting world of STEM. This set lets your child explore 6 simple machines, levers, wedges, pulleys, and more. They'll learn how these machines work and how they make our lives easier. With 19 pieces, including a lever board, pulley, and activity cards, it provides hours of engaging, educational play. It's perfect for fostering a love of science and engineering. The activities are designed to teach kids how to solve real-world problems using simple machines. It's a practical and engaging way to learn. The set comes complete with everything you need, a comprehensive activity guide, reproducible materials, and all the components for exciting experiments. Get ready for some serious fun. What we like. It's designed for younger children, making it easy for them to grasp the basic concepts of simple machines. The hands-on activities make learning fun and engaging. If you are looking for an introductory simple machine set for younger children, this is a great starting point. What people say. Fun, great documentation to support use. This set is perfect for my classroom stations for our simple machine lesson. Fun hands-on learning. This is a fun way for the kids to play with simple machines. Number 1. Learning Resources Simple Machines. This is a complete set for learning about simple machines. It has everything you need to build and experiment with 5 different types of simple machines. With this set, you can build a lever, pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, and a wedge, all simultaneously. It's a great way to see how they all work together. It's designed to inspire the next generation of engineers and scientists. You'll explore concepts like force, motion, and distance in a fun and engaging way. This set helps you develop a deeper understanding of how machines function. It's a fantastic way to build foundational STEM skills. It comes with extra weights and rubber bands, allowing you to modify your machines and experiment with different forces and loads. Get ready to explore. With 63 pieces, there are endless possibilities for building and experimenting. It's perfect for ages 8 and up. What we like. This set lets your child build 5 simple machines simultaneously, allowing for comparison and experimentation. The ability to modify the machines encourages creative problem solving. If your child enjoys hands-on experimentation and modification, this kit is ideal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.